以呢個生日 trip 我揀咗住喺 Eastin Grand Hotel， 酒店好細心啊，佢 ready 咗個 cake 送俾我。酒店裡面呢係會有2個 infinity pool， 啱晒我好鍾意游水，喺泳池邊攤唞下氣下真係好舒服㗎。呢間酒店仲有條天橋連接住 BTS 站，所以去邊都好方便㗎。
Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
尋晚瞓得好好啊，今朝一起身食返一個好豐富、好美味嘅早餐，實在太滿足啦。